Hi there, it's Mark Conroy from Puncturesafe Northwest. Today we're doing a video just to demonstrate how Puncturesafe actually works. So this is Puncturesafe and we'll start with the small wheel. So the idea of Puncturesafe, it is a preventative and permanent cure. So preventative, it actually goes into the tyre before you start on your journey. So any time when you get a new car or you get a new set of tyres is the ideal time to install it. So I'll just show you what the benefits are before we go into the basic details. Basically designed as puncture prevention. So if you're driving along, let's simulate you're driving along and you come across a puncturing object like a nail. This would go into the tyre and let's say it stays in, causes a bit of air, or it comes straight out. Normally you'd expect the air to come out, it creates that hole and the tyre would deflate fairly quickly. So as I just put this in, we can probably just close in a little bit, probably come in a little bit. You'll probably hear a bit of a hiss hopefully on the video, and then you'll see when it comes out after the hiss it very quickly seals. You'll see some of the actual gel coming out of the tyre. So here we go, we're all closed in. Okay, so we had the hiss, you probably saw a little bit of the liquid, the gel come out, which is fine, it's all water soluble, it's all very environmentally friendly, it's absolutely fine. So that creates a permanent seal. You can see on this sample wheel there's already a few little bit of blue bits. That's the most recent one that's come out there. So that's permanent seal. So if you were driving along and that happened to your vehicle, it's almost as though that puncture didn't really happen. So you wouldn't even notice. Now, okay, that's the little wheel, but just to simulate or get a bit more detail in terms of what happens in a real situation with a larger tyre, like I said, it's very simple. We'll have another video about the installation of Puncturesafe. It's very simple, goes into the tyre valve here. But just to give that a little bit more context of what this is doing, as that goes into the tyre and as you drive a number of miles and the wheel's going round and round, the centrifugal force will make sure that the gel inside the tyre covers the inside wall, and that creates a non-permeable member. So basically that's what's helping you and your tyre to avoid the impact of punctures. So as the object goes in, the gel inside the tyre under the air pressure gets forced out. It gets forced through and closes off here and causes that permanent seal. It's designed for objects up to 6 millimeters wide, and when they go in it will seal those holes over the main part of the tyre, the main 2/3 of 70% of the tread. If an object is bigger than that and goes in, or if a puncturing object goes in right at the shoulder of the tyre or into the sidewall, what it's designed to do is create or facilitate a slow deflation, a controlled deflation. So rather than having instant loss of tyre pressure, you can get to the garage safely, you can get home safely. So it will prevent the effects of the majority of punctures. About 90 to 95% are probably from objects like this. So we'll just do the demonstration one more time on this tyre. It's a bit big, so we don't keep moving it around. But you'll see again if we can just come in close. Okay, so we're just going to do another demonstration with this full-size tyre. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mark a little area here that when we zoom in you'll be able to see where the puncturing object went in. So again, imagine you're driving down the road, that's a nail or a similar object, and push it in so we can start to zoom in now. And when it comes out we'll hear the initial hiss of air, and then it will seal up virtually instantly. So hopefully we can see there the little blue dot. To just get it in the sunlight where it came in. There was a slight loss of air, very slight, sealed up instantly. So you just imagine that's you out with the family, out on a day trip, out on holiday, you're on the motorway, so you're not going to be caught on that hard shoulder where there is no hard shoulder. You just keep on driving, it's as good as new. And that's how it works. See you next time.